So all this talk about real or unreal is just completely futile. It gives rise to the idea that there is something which is real and something else which is unreal, which itself is already real and unreal simultaneously, both and neither. The claim that there is realness somewhere to be found compared to unrealness is already just simply this, and there isn't even an actual this as a thing, as an object to be real or unreal when it comes to the directness of whatever seems to be happening. And then again, real or unreal when it comes to suffering doesn't seem to make a difference. When there's intense suffering, the claim it's just unreal doesn't seem to do shit. And of course, these so-called statements that suffering is not real may lessen the suffering, but it will only work for a certain amount of time. There isn't an actual thing which is real or unreal, yet it's all real and unreal simultaneously. Real and unreal just innocently arising as labels put on certain situations which themselves are just simply this. So all this talk about real and unreal is futile. All these claims, it's all an illusion. It's just one side of the coin, flipping from it's real to unreal, and it doesn't do shit. It may just give rise to the idea that something is known, that now finally, I see, it's just a dream, which is just another conclusion innocently arising